Welcome back, guys, to another Dividend Express video. So today, as you can see, we're up 14%. The markets are absolutely surging pretty much everywhere, especially cruise lines and airlines on my side. But if we take a quick look at the QQQ, the tech sector, we can see that, oh, they're even up today. Okay, so not by much. They are keeping it up, though. Okay, that's good. So we'll go back to, so pretty much all of the market is up. Tech, not as much, but as you can see, my portfolio is up 14.4%. It was up like 15.4% earlier. So this last week, I'm up $1,200, which is pretty good. Overall, I'm only up $650, though. We took, going into election with all the uncertainty, we took a rough time. Tumble down pretty much. So Tesla's doing they're sticking where they are, which is not bad at all. 431. I do have a much lower average cost. I don't know what it is at this point, but that's what my Tesla's worth now. It's at 431, which is pretty nice. Higher than my 420 that I predicted at 420 a little while back. RCL is up 27%, which is insane. I sold some at like 74, bought it all back at 72, so just a little bit of gain. But I am down 4 shares still because I didn't buy back 4 of them. I don't know if it's gonna drop tomorrow, and that's when I wanted to buy back, is after like a major drop. But if it doesn't drop and it just keeps going up, then I want to be able to also hold my shares for that to go up and not be completely out. So I kept the majority of my shares buying back in at 72, and I have, as you can see, buying power $400 to buy back tomorrow in whatever stocks do drop. So like almost all of that's going to go to cruise lines because that's what I'm missing here. $280 of it. So if a different cruise line, such as here, my buyback, these are everything that I sold today from here up, save up. So any one of these cruise lines that drops, I'll just put more money into that. Ooh, Delta's going up even more. Interesting. So yeah, I sold 2 shares of Delta today. Like 4 shares of each one of these Carnivals, 1 share of SMV, like 5 shares of Norwegian, 5 shares of Synchrony Financial, which is another good stock. I haven't made a video on it in a while, but this is definitely a great stock. As you can see, I got a dividend coming. I actually haven't made a video on that one, period. Save, I sold a bunch of Save at really rate here, 10.05, about $22.58, and then I bought it back at $20, and I didn't buy all of that back once again. So just whichever one does collapse back down a little bit, I'll buy into that one, hold it back up, because they're all solid companies. More so, we got, so Save was up 20%. Hyliion is up 8% now. That's pretty good. I ended up buying with all the money that I sold the other stocks for. I ended up buying a couple other stocks. Here, let me do that real quick. So I ended up buying 3 more shares of Hyliion when they were down at $21.89, and now they're up to $24.34, which is awesome because that just means they're up 8%, and that's $55 for me today. That's pretty good that that's going up like that. What other stocks? So JP Morgan, I haven't looked at this one actually. $117 is actually quite insane. I have an average cost of $99. That's pretty damn good. I'll take that. 17.38%. I'm up. Overall on that on JP Morgan, that's a very good bank stock. LCA, I have 20 shares of. That's up 2.8%. Actually, almost at my average cost, which is good. 2.68 on that one. Delta Airlines did good, 15.69%. Disney with 11%. Norwegian 27%. The cruise lines 35 and 39%. SMV 22%. You can see I sold everything that was up quite a lot. This is a stock I actually bought in today, and I'm gonna make a move right now. I don't want to lose money on this stock again. Let's just sell half of this. I don't want to take that big of a risk on this. When I bought it today, and I'll probably buy more tomorrow if it drops. Otherwise, I'm just gonna hold these 2.5 and call it good for that one. This one I bought in today. Let's see how much money. Only $11.52. I'm cool with that. Into this one because it was up 28%. All these last two that I bought on today, I've made videos on in the past. I just didn't correctly estimate when they were gonna jump, so I keep them on a watch list for when they do. And this one I missed, along with a couple other ones. Normally I would buy back in on it if I thought it was a good time, but yeah, with the market surging as much as they are, I decided to get a little bit of this just in case it goes up 100%. Then I have $40, whatever. Holy shit, this one's up 82%. So I bought this one too today, and you can see I'm already up 12% from when I bought it. That's kind of fucking nuts. Okay, cool. And then I also bought, it looks like, oh yeah, I bought this one because this is the one making the vaccine for everybody. So I bought 4.4 shares of this. Hope I don't regret that, because these do tend to just drop exponentially after they are done doing their thingy. Drop them a little bit. You better stay at 800, buddy. I like the 857 better. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you want free stocks, click the link in the description. Get in and investing yourself. I love each and every one of you for watching. Please click the like button. Links are in the description. Adios.